Happy Saturday, everybody. It has been a busy morning already with lots of customers coming through. We had a pretty nice start to the day, and then, and then it got cool. And here's Dragon taking one of his breaks yet again. Dragon,
break all day.
What have you been up to today?
Nothing.
You
Just right
sure?
here. Messing with dogs and pretty much nothing.
What about all that dirt you've been tossing around this morning?
Just moving stuff around, rearranging. We had too much dirt in one pile, so we had to move it to another. So.
And now, the real story.
Real story is, Kevin made me do it. As always, he always does. We brought in some additional trees, fruit trees, pawpaws, which are local to Virginia, native to Virginia. We brought in some mulberry trees. We brought in some hickory trees. I thought I brought in some
persimmons,
bald cypress trees, but I guess I didn't.
And persimmons also.
And persimmons, so we didn't. What else we have there? We have some of the trees. So the Willis orchards were generous enough. We had a couple of trees that main stock died, and they sent a small shoot on the bottom, right above the graft, and they were generous enough to replace those trees. So we replaced them in the orchard. We saved them as a backup just in case that we can plant them somewhere else. So.
How about we take a walk over and look and see all the work you've
I'll
done?
meet you over there. I'll meet you over there. I like when you do it. So.
All right, come with us. Join us, please. Don't leave us by ourselves.
Snow, you ready? Let's go, Snow.
Here is the finished product, or products. Each line is a different row of trees that we have potted up. These were all in our order that we received a week ago yesterday from Willis Orchards down in Georgia. This first row here is American Filbert is what, Dragon? Hazelnut. American Filbert hazelnut we have here. Next to that we have mocker nut, which are hickory. Then we have two varieties of pawpaws that are right here. We have Eastern and Collins, that's this row. And then next to those in these larger pots, we have mulberries. These are Persian mulberries. Next to that, Dragon, you remember?
Black Beauty, is it Black Beauty?
Yes.
Black Beauty mulberry.
Black Beauty mulberry next to that. And then this row here is a row of 5 fruit trees that were replacements. We've already planted the replacements. These were the ones that we dug out in our orchard, and some of them look like they still may have had some life left at the bottom, so we wanted to pot them up and give them a chance to see if they recover. We have a Gala apple, we have a Belle of Georgia peach, we have a compact Stella cherry that's right here, we have a Bing cherry, and the last one that we have is that's an extra tree that we ordered. Dragon says black tartan cherry. That last one, that one came in with our order. So this was today's work out here, getting some gardening done. Wanted to get these guys in some dirt, the ones that we pulled out back in some dirt, so we can cross this off our list. Just monitor them now, keep them watered. The plan is to have these available for sale to our customers this season.
Probably, and the rest will be available for sale. So that's about it. That's it.
What else are you gonna make me do today?
I don't know. I was thinking we need to prune the orchard, though.
Oh.
At least we need to start doing it.
All right.
Because they're budding up. We need to fertilize the orchard. We need to prune the orchard. Orchard needs some attention. So
'tis the season.
That's the season.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time
anytime.
today, as always.
Call me anytime. You have my number.
We'll call you. How about we call you tomorrow?
All right. Bella, they'll call us tomorrow. We're free the rest of the day. Bella, where are your chickens? Shh. Go see your chickens. And off she goes.
And because there's always something to do on the list, Dragon came out and started pruning all of the fruit trees here in the orchard. He is working his way now on the last row, which are apples here, finishing off here and here. And next up, we still need to decide on fertilizer for the season to get all of these trees fertilized too. So that will be coming up in the next couple of days or so. How are the trees looking, Dragon?
Trees are looking amazing. I basically touched every single tree. Everything looks nice and green. I'm not a professional pruner, but I kind of have a vision of what my canopy I want to look like. Apples usually want to have, this is a perfect example. Apple usually wants to have a strong lead, and then we'll build the branches off of it. But this is going to be a production orchard, so I want it to spread this way instead of going up. So I'm going to find a few good nods like here. Cut this here, so from here it's going to branch this way. So this gives me a perfect height where I can harvest the apples. So that's kind of, we are still a few years away from harvesting apples. I'm just going to slowly start preparing the canopy the way we want it. So here you can see this is this tree we got actually from local Food Lion last year, and it is much more mature than the rest of our trees. So I'm basically clearing out the canopy. Now we're going to do something kind of more, even more so here. I'm going to take out this one right here. Not my good branch is quite big. I know this looks severe, but this gives me a low canopy of an apple. So I have 4 lead branches now, giving me a nice low canopy. And that's what we want. We want an easy harvest instead of reaching up 20 feet.
This also felt like a perfect time to come down by the creek to take a little look to see how everything is flowing right now. It's always so pretty down here. I have this crazy like white sandy beach like conditions down at this part of our property compared to how everything else is further up, but still have some debris that hopefully the next time we have Justin over doing some clearing, maybe he can just reach across and push this on over to the other side of the bank just to free up this space and this gap right here. Snowy is enjoying himself. He was a little trepidatious earlier when I brought him down here, but don't put him in there. Don't throw him in because it's cold and I don't feel like dealing with that today. Bella's not a fan of being thrown in either, which we learned already. Trinity is the only one who's really a water dog that we know of so far. But we're looking forward to having Justin back out, getting more of this space cleared and usable. Dragon is antagonizing Bella, and there's no way in the world she's getting in that creek today.
Come on. No, Bella. No. Come on, Bella. Come on, Bella. No. Just like that. Fig tree planting is done.
Did you tell them Happy Sunday, everybody?
What? This is, you haven't talked to them yet?
No.
Oh my God. Well, happy Sunday, everybody.
There it is.
We are in our second orchard where the pomegranates, this is behind our fence where the raised beds are. Row of pomegranate back there, and then we have 2 rows of figs, which we just finished planting, and Kevin is putting finishing touches with stakes. Stakes kind of help locate the figs because this grass here really grows aggressively, so we can cut around it nicely, keep the grass low. Kevin, how was it? Kevin is going to tell us all about it. He loves doing that. So.
It wasn't bad. Cheryl is here with us, helping out as always. So we love when she comes down because she's a no-nonsense kind of gal. She helps us really get to work, and she's on the same kind of level of work ethic like we are. And everybody gets their marching orders. Dragon went ahead of us with the post hole digger, getting the hole started. I came back through with the shovel to widen the holes, and then Cheryl went right in with some compost that we use as fertilizer, and then also clearing out the emitters that we had already put down along each tree that we were planting and getting them covered up. So we're the dream team.
How many varieties of figs do you have?
We have Chicago Hardy, which is along this line right here, the front line. We also have some Panache Tiger and Magnolia that we have planted.
And
then we have brown turkey fig down here. No, what am I missing?
Tiger. Yeah, I'm sorry, Italian honey.
Italian honey, yes. Italian honey we also have. And we do have a brown turkey fig that's further up, a big one that one of our amazing customers gifted to us. But it's pretty big, and we're deciding on a space to plant that one because it has a beautiful history to it. So we want to make that one a little more accessible to all the customers. So you can come to the farm, and while you're shopping on your way to the car, just stop by that fig tree and grab a little snack.
Awesome. Can't wait to hear that story.
As our orchard care Sunday continues, we are now down in the big orchard, Champion's Orchard, getting everything fertilized. Dragon, would you like to do the honors and explain what's going on here?
That's all you.
No, we already talked. Come on, let's go.
I think just got about getting spoma fertilizer, but we already had this green compost. Might as well put it into a good use. So putting 1 bucket between 2 to 3 trees. So just to give some nice boost. Yesterday we did pruning, and today we're giving a nice boost. And these trees are set for the season. We just need to keep an eye on the water for this season and make sure that they stay watered and wet. So
awesome. Nice to have this next thing checked off the list. And Champion's Orchard is off to a great start for 2024. Thursday, everybody. It's been raining all day today. We just finished afternoon chores, spent the day inside working on the store. A little bit of a disappointing day today. Dragon, tell us why.
More frustrating, the delivery guys. So we ordered a drywall 10 days ago. Placed an order for 50 sheets of drywall, mud, screws, and everything. After placing an order, I realized that I forgot to place an order for 2 sheets of fireproof drywall that will go behind our wood stove. So I called them, hey, can you please add this to the order? They added it. They had to create a separate order for that, unfortunately. Delivery was scheduled for today, between 8 and 8. He shows up, delivers first 2 sheets. They have a forklift behind the truck, takes the sheets down, breaks the sheets while he's pulling them off the truck. So anyhow, he convinced me to leave them. The next delivery will take them back. And he's putting the forklift back on the truck. I was like, where's the rest of the order? He said, nope, that's all I have for you. So I called them and they somehow missed the rest of the order. They sent the 2 drywall sheets of fireproof drywall and missed 50 sheets of drywall. So it was just annoying to deal with. We might actually go tomorrow and just pick it up because the next scheduled delivery date is a week from today, and I don't feel like waiting a whole week for the drywall because we have windows and door coming in that same week. So I'm gonna probably try to get a trailer from a friend and get that tomorrow or Friday. Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Tomorrow or Friday, we'll see. So
good news is we got rain today, so
rain is here.
all of these things that got planted are getting a nice drink in the orchard, so that's on the bright side.
Chilly night tonight. Tonight's supposed to dip into, I think, 30s, and after that we are high 30s for low and high 50s for high for a week, which is good. I think that orchard is gonna explode in the next couple of weeks. So that's the great news. So that's why I came down, just to a little woosah, because I was really frustrated with Lowe's and their delivery schedule. So
Tomorrow's a new day.
New day tomorrow. So we'll be back tomorrow.
Sounds good. We'll see you then. Happy Thursday, everybody. Turns out when you can't leave things to the hands of people that you paid to do stuff for you, you end up having to do them yourself. Right, Dragon?
That's right.
So today we borrowed our friend's trailer, and here we are at Lowe's picking up our walk-in freezer door. Walk-in refrigerator door is this one. Freezer door back here, and we are waiting on them now to bring the forklift around with the drywall.
Fun times.
Oh, do it yourself, they said. It'll be easy, they said.
Yeah. Very easy.
The things we do to make the budget work, right?
Yes, indeed.
Now, if only those folks will come out, we can get strapped down and get on to the next errand.
Next stop. Because Kevin, it's never one stop with Kevin.
I don't even have keys in my pocket, so.
Let the record show.
you guys know that Dragon love fire this much? This is week.
I did. I grew up starting fires.
This is week 3 of working on getting our pasture burned. If this is your first time joining us and seeing us do it, Dragon thinks this was the most dramatic one. I don't think so. I think it was just sun was setting with this one, so it might have seemed a little more dramatic, but I think that the second one that we did was the most dramatic. But this is the third one. And great benefits for the pasture. I looked up some. I'll throw up that list right there next to the beautiful sunset that we have going on over Dragon's shoulder.
How do you always find it?
Dragon, turn this way a little bit. Let's get you that beautiful sunset behind you, that fire behind you. Are we done?
Probably. This was a tricky one. We're next to the neighbor's fence on that side. We burned probably about 6 feet away from the fence.
Yeah, right on it.
And then I decided to stop. So our property goes all the way to the tree line. But I didn't want to risk it going too close to the trees. So we are about, maybe 20 yards from the tree line. But yeah, not a big accomplishment. Saves us a lot of time. So bush hogging and all of this gives great nutrients to the soil. So we should have some great pastures for years to come. We're gonna have meat chickens this year, probably on this side of the pasture instead of orchard. Orchard had meat chickens for 2 years. So time to beef up this and get it ready for sheep.
Sounds good. It's a little cool, but being next to this warm fire felt good tonight. The dogs, as you can see, were unfazed. Trinity was with us for a while, but she decided to give up. Thank you guys for joining us again for another farm fire. Tomorrow is Friday.
Oh, Friday.
We made it. Well,
we got the drywall.
Got the drywall. We'll tackle getting that moved in tomorrow. Although we probably need to at least go get the doors moved in tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna move the doors in tonight and move the drywall. We'll see. We'll put some up tomorrow and then move the rest of it in. So.
All right. It's
Get
dinner
ready for
time.
that.
It's dinner time.
Pizza time, probably.
Oh, now he's speaking my language.
Right, Bella? Belly. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Good job.
Happy Friday, everybody. We have officially made it to the end of the week. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. And what better way than to end it with a few gorgeous items that Dragon just got at the wholesale. Dragon, excellent work today.
Excellent. Yay, we did a good job. Yeah, our 10-day forecast looks good. Low temperatures in 40s, high temperatures in high 50s, low 60s for the next 10 days. So we decided to bring some stuff in, start putting some color out in our yard, minus all this mess. So we still have a few more weeks of construction. Windows and doors are coming in Monday, a few days away. But let's focus on the beautiful stuff that's coming in. So people already started asking about flowers, so we decided to bring in some flowers, and we brought in some cold resistant plants. It should be fine.
Want to walk us through what you got here?
We have some beautiful assorted cactuses, a couple of different varieties. I was never good at growing cactus, but these just look beautiful and I couldn't resist not to get them. Then we have some succulents. This is hen and chicks, I believe, variety. Yeah, hen and chicks, yeah. Because they're constantly, you have one large one usually, and she keeps sending off the little babies. These are gorgeous. Then we have some beautiful violas in two colors. We have some yellow and this purple bluish. Very nice in full bloom. Next to it, we have some beautiful pansies. The whites, black and yellow, and assorted varieties of the 6-packs. And we have a little bit of a few ranunculus that are already blooming. Look at these beautiful blooms, rosettes. They're just beautiful. We found a couple of thornless blackberries. We're debating on keeping these because we don't have blackberries planted here on the farm yet. But it would be nice to have some. And some beautiful miniature roses in bloom. So really nice haul today. I don't have sides on the truck, so it was a little bit challenging to get everything in, so we had to go way below speed limit on the highway, but everything came home nice and pretty. So
awesome. All right, it's it's lunchtime. Yes.
All right, let's get to lunch.
Let's get a post up so folks know that they have all these beautiful things to come by the farm and grab on this gorgeous day. Grab a little bite to eat, and then we tackle the beast that is all that drywall that we covered up last night when we got home. So
all right, let's get to work.
what do you guys think? Things are really starting to roll right along as we promised. It is so nice to be able to see the beginnings of a finished wall here, still amidst all of the clutter of construction stuff and sawdust and screws and nails and hammers and blades and dogs and dragons. How's it looking, Dragon?
Good.
That's it, just good. That's very, very
Show them what you did.
unremarkable. They saw what we did. All of this, moving this stuff.
Yes.
Let me tell you, when we say that this is a labor of love, some days there's more emphasis on the labor portion. Today was one of those days.
Yes, indeed. But yeah, looks good. It's nice to see some almost finished product, what it's going to look like.
I don't remember if we showed you guys the paint choice that we're using. It's a table's moved over here. Things get moved around a lot these days. Good job, Ella.
Might have gotten cut, but let's go outside. Because you can.
All right. Natural lighting. Here we come. So this is the indoor color scheme. You already see the...
And outside.
Oh, well, yeah, outside too. Oh, yeah, we did talk about it. I think we showed it, yeah. You know, because Dragon said... What did you say about these colors?
Yeah, wedding colors.
Wedding colors? What? Then he's like, yeah.
There you go.
Beautiful wedding colors.
Beautiful wedding colors.
So, yeah.
For those of you that missed that, these are the walls. Drywall is going to be this color, and obviously metal on the bottom is this color. So.
Yeah.
So, big weekend ahead, Devin.
It is? What's going on this weekend?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. Is
done
this
with work.
supposed to be rain coming in the forecast?
Weekend off, folks.
Don't you sit on my drywall. What do you folks call it? Drywall or sheetrock? I grew up in a sheetrock environment. Dragon's never heard of that.
Right.
Yeah, it's a sheetrock. You know, it's a sheet made out of rocks. That's what we called it.
Gypsum.
No,
Yeah, it's made out of gypsum.
we're not using gypsum. This brings us to the close of a very, very busy week here on the farm. Actually, I woke up this morning and couldn't remember what day it was. Not that that's atypical, but it felt like the week was never ending. Now we've made it to Friday. Rain in the forecast tomorrow, but we have some beautiful plants as you guys saw. So already starting to get some foot traffic for those, and I would imagine that will continue on into the weekend.
Yes, big weekend ahead of us. Big week ahead of us too. We are getting windows and door in on Monday, so hopefully by next weekend we have those up.
Yeah.
That would be exciting if we manage to get those. Even if we get one a day, that's 7. So. And we can see the light.
Yes.
On day 7.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
Ours is kind of opposite. We're gonna see the light at the end instead of first created light. So, but yeah, big week ahead. Glad to see us moving forward in a faster fashion right now. So.
Yep. So, as always, we want to thank you guys for stopping by and spending a little time with us again this week. And if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
Hope to see you at the farm. See you soon.